Your C-Max Energy or Fusion Energy can coach and guide you to be a more fuel-efficient driver. In addition to the common instrument panel functions like odometer, trip computer, and fuel gauge data, your vehicle has some state-of-the-art features that can help you maximize your efficiency. Like Smartguage with Ecoguide. It's a system that allows you to monitor your energy use in real time and displays the results as you alter your driving habits. You can access the Smartgauge and Ecoguide screens using the 5-way controls on your steering wheel and scrolling up or down to select either Engage, which shows you separate gauges for engine power and battery power, as well as an instantaneous fuel economy gauge, which lets you know how efficiently you're driving. Empower, which gives you a power demand gauge, including an engine on-off threshold. When your vehicle is operating below the threshold and using battery power only, you'll see EV on the display, and the gauge fill will be blue. When your vehicle is using engine and battery power, the gauge fill will be white. And when your power use surpasses the amber indicator, the power and fuel economy information will be amber. If you see a lot of amber, you may want to change your driving pattern in order to get better fuel economy. MyView lets you choose which combination of 2 informational screens or columns you want to view on the left side. Energy use gives you your available electric range, which is the estimated distance you can travel in plug-in power mode with your engine off. Based on the amount of energy available in the high-voltage battery from plug-in charging and your average energy use while driving. An energy use gauge shows you your current energy use as a white line that moves up and down. The button to the right of the shifter, here, lets you switch between Auto EV, EV Now, or EV Later. When you're in EV Now mode or electric, you'll see a blue outline or cup. Keeping the white bar within the blue cup lets you meet or exceed the EV range estimate shown on the display when EV Now mode began. A climate power gauge indicates high-voltage electric power demand from your vehicle's climate control system. Trip 1 and 2 gives you information like trip odometer, trip average fuel economy, and a trip timer in white. Unique EV information is highlighted in blue, like distance traveled on battery power only and total plug-in electricity used in kilowatt hours. On the right side of the instrument cluster, a fuel economy menu gives you information on how efficiently you're driving, and efficiency leaves measure how you've been driving in the short term. There's also fuel history, which shows you your average fuel economy in durations of 5, 10, or 30 minutes. To change the duration, use the 5-way switch on your steering wheel, and from the fuel history screen, press the right arrow. Duration, your desired time, then OK. Coach compares your current accelerating, braking, and cruising behavior to what is optimal based on your current driving conditions. When the bars are less than half full, the color is amber, and you may need to change your driving behavior in order to achieve better energy efficiency. If at any time you want a quick refresher on any of these features, while on the screen you want to learn more about, use the 5-way switch on your steering wheel, press the right arrow for options, then select Help, and a brief description will appear. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.